Welcome to the exciting world of goat farming. This industry offers incredible potential for profitability, with goats being sought after for milk, meat, and fiber. Imagine turning a small plot of land into $1 million enterprise. The journey requires dedication, smart strategies, and a commitment to sustainability. By focusing on animal welfare and eco-friendly methods, you can create a farm that thrives financially and contributes positively to the environment. Join us as we explore the steps to turn your goat farming dreams into reality. Selecting the right goat breed is crucial for success. Popular options include Boer goats for meat production, Nubians for rich milk, and Saanens for high milk yield. Consider your climate and farm's purpose, whether meat, milk, or fiber. Assess market demand to ensure profitability. Research local regulations and requirements. Compliance is essential for smooth operations. This foundational step sets the stage for a thriving goat farming venture. A solid business plan is essential. Outline goals, identify your target market, and establish financial projections. Detail startup costs like land, equipment, and livestock, alongside operational expenses such as feed and veterinary care. Explore potential revenue streams, such as selling meat, milk, or fiber products. Plan for scalability, considering future expansions. Crafting a comprehensive business plan ensures a clear path toward success in a competitive market. Establishing a strong infrastructure is vital. Design and build appropriate housing for safety and comfort. Secure fencing protects goats from predators and prevents escapes. Ensure access to clean water, grazing areas, and shelter from harsh weather. Invest in necessary equipment like feeders, water troughs, and health supplies to streamline operations and promote welfare. A well-planned infrastructure enhances productivity and creates a healthy environment for your goats to thrive. Acquiring your initial herd is a significant milestone. Source goats from reputable breeders to ensure healthy, high-quality animals. Start with a manageable number, allowing you to learn without becoming overwhelmed. Pay close attention to the health and genetics of goats you purchase. These factors influence productivity and longevity. By carefully selecting your initial herd, you set a strong foundation for a successful operation. Effective management practices are crucial. Establish a feeding regimen meeting nutritional needs, ensuring optimal growth and production. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations maintain herd health and prevent disease. Keep detailed records of breeding, health, and production for valuable insights and improvements. Prioritizing these practices creates a sustainable environment that promotes well-being and enhances farm productivity. Marketing your products effectively is key. Identify your target market for meat, milk, or fiber, understanding their preferences and needs. Utilize social media to showcase your farm and engage with potential customers. Participate in local farmers markets to build community connections. Consider relationships with restaurants and grocery stores for product distribution, reaching a wider audience. Implementing these strategies boosts product visibility. In this video, we explored essential steps to grow a successful goat farm. We discussed researching and choosing the right breed, creating a business plan, setting up infrastructure, acquiring an initial herd, implementing management practices, and marketing products. Now is the time to take action and embark on your goat farming journey. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow farming enthusiasts. Together, we can cultivate a thriving community dedicated to sustainable and profitable goat farming. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck on your journey to creating a successful goat farm.